Hello friends, in this video I'm going to present objective type questions on potential difference and work done. Let's begin with the first question. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 Coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volt? So here the data given are charge and potential difference. Q is given and V is given. We need to find what is work done or how much of work is done. So we need to find W. So what is the relation between W, V and Q? We know V is equal to W by Q. Electric potential is work done by charge. Okay. Or the potential difference is given by work done by charge. But how to find W? We can rearrange and write W is equal to V into Q. W is equal to V into Q. So now see, what is W? We need to find. What is V? It is 12 volt. And what is Q? It's 2 Coulomb. So what will be the work done? Work done will be 12 into 2, that is 24 joule. W is equal to 24 joule. Option A is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. What is meant by saying that the potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt? When can we say a potential difference of 1 volt is applied across the 2 points, or potential difference across 2 points is 1 volt? We know the relation V is equal to W by Q. So when 1 joule of work is done in moving a charge from one point to another. Okay. So when 1 joule of work is done in moving a charge of 1 Coulomb from one point to another, then we can say that potential difference between the 2 points is 1 volt. So it is the option A. Whereas in the second option they have given 2 joule. No, it's not the correct answer. So the correct answer is option A. Let us see to the third option also. So here 1 joule of work is required to move a charge of 2 Coulomb. No, it's not 2 Coulomb. 1 joule of work required to move 1 Coulomb of charge. So therefore answer A is the correct option. Third question. What is the unit of potential difference? The unit of potential difference is volt. Option C. Fourth question. What is potential difference? Potential difference is work done to move a charge from one point to another. Work done, first option is work done to move a charge from one point to another. B option is work done to move a unit charge from one point to other. Unit charge. Okay. In third option, work done to move a unit charge from one point to other. So which will be the correct answer? Work done to move unit charge from one point to other. Okay. I think option B as well as option C are the same. Okay. So either option B or option C can be taken as correct answer. Fifth question. Assertion. A cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Yes, it's correct. Cell is a device which converts chemical energy to electrical energy. We know that the cell is made up of chemicals. So those chemicals will do the reactions takes place in it, and they will form potential. They will develop potential difference across the two ends. Okay, that's the reason it converts chemical energy to electrical energy. And what is the reason? Cell maintains a constant potential difference between its terminal for a long time. No, it will maintain, okay, but this is maintaining, but this is not the correct answer for the assertion. Okay, what they say, chemical energy to electrical energy. How? What is the reason? Because they develop potential difference across the two ends. No. So first option is both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of A. Yes, both A and R are true, but it is not the correct explanation actually to say. Okay, A is true, but B is false is C option, and D option is A is false and B R is true. A is false and reason is true. No, these are all wrong. So which will be the correct answer? Option B. As I told you, these two are correct. Okay, yes, of course it will maintain the voltage. Maybe if it is having 9 volt, oh yes, it will maintain for some time. But how it is converting chemical to electrical? What is the reason? Why it is converting a chemical to electrical? That is not being discussed in the reason. So therefore, both are true, but R is not correct explanation of B. Okay, so the correct answer would be option B. What is resistance of ideal voltmeter? See, voltmeter is an instrument used to measure voltage or potential difference across the 2 points. So the voltmeter will contain high resistance. It has got high resistance. Okay, ideal voltmeter, when we consider high resistance, means it must be infinity. If it is infinity, what happens? The current flowing through that is going to be less. So therefore we can get the maximum voltage across the element where we need to measure the voltage. Okay, so it must be infinity or infinite. So the correct answer would be option B. Hope you could understand. I will draw so that this is the voltmeter. Okay, and here is a resistor. You think that there is a resistor here, and the current is flowing like this in a circuit. Okay, so the current flows this way. This is the current. Now what happens? This voltmeter, when it has got infinite resistance, okay, when it has got infinite resistance, then less current will be flowing through this path. Okay, that means current will be almost 0, and all the current will be flowing through this resistor where we need to find the potential difference. Okay, so we can get the maximum voltage across this resistor. Therefore, to get the maximum voltage across this resistor, the voltmeter should have high resistance. That means ideal voltmeter should have infinite resistance. Okay, the answer is option B. Right. We'll move on to the next question. What is the name of the device that helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor? So we can say cell and battery. Battery means group of cells. Okay, that will helps in maintaining potential difference. Then DC generator. These are all the devices that helps in maintaining potential difference. But what are the options given here? Cell, battery, yes, of course, 1 and 2, that is A and B, both 1 and 2, right? And D is bulb. No, bulb doesn't provide potential difference. So the correct answer would be option C, cell, battery, both cell and battery. Okay. Eighth question. How is voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between the 2 points? Just now I explained by drawing a diagram. So this is the potential difference, okay, which we will be applying to any resistor, okay. And if we want to measure the voltage across this resistor, we need to connect the voltmeter parallelly. To measure the voltage across a resistor or 2 points, let us take 2 points, these 2 points, we have to find the voltage across these 2 points. So we have to connect how? Parallelly. We have to connect parallelly, or the parallel connection is also called shunt. Okay, shunt connection. Fine. Now, ninth question. The function of voltmeter in an electric circuit. What is the function of voltmeter? Just now we saw it will measure potential difference or voltage across how many points? 2 points. So the correct answer would be option A. 10th question. Name the device that helps to maintain potential difference across a conductor. Just now we saw cell, battery, DC generator. Let us see what are all the options given. Battery, ammeter, voltmeter, galvanometer. So the correct answer is option A, battery. Battery is the source that provides potential difference across the 2 points across the conductor. Fine. Which of the following represents voltage? First, let us write the expression for voltage. We know V is equal to W by Q, isn't it? And how can we write Q as? Q can be written as I into T, or we can write it as N into E. Okay, so we can write W divided by N into E. So let us see what all the options given. Accordingly, we can choose the correct answer. First option is work done divided by current into time. This one. Second option is work into time. Work into time, that is W into T. No. And third option is work done into time, W into T divided by I. No, this is wrong. Then fourth option is work done into charge divided by time. No, this is also wrong. So the correct option is W by current, that is W by I into T, work done by current into time. So the correct option will be option A. How much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through 6-volt battery? So they are asking us to find out the energy. Energy is equivalent to work done, that we have already seen, isn't it? So we know energy is equal to power into time. What is power? Work done by time, or rate of doing work. So TT get cancelled. So when we substitute power, expression for power, work done by time taken, in the expression of energy, energy is equal to power into time, TT get cancelled, and we get energy is equal to work done. So we know energy is equal to work done, right? So now, what is the expression for energy when charge and voltage is given? Each coulomb of charge, that means each coulomb of charge means it is 1 coulomb of charge, passing through 6 volt battery. So voltage is given 6 volt. So when Q and V is given, how to find work done? W we know W and E are equal, right? So therefore we can write W is equal to V into Q. So when V is equal to W by Q, right? So W is equal to V into Q. W is what? Energy. So therefore now you multiply. V is what? 6. 6 into charge is how much? 1 coulomb. So 6 into 1 is 6. So therefore 6 joule work done or energy is equal to 6 joule. Let us see the options. Option A 3 joule, option B 4 joule, option C 5 joule, and option C is 6 joule. So answer is option D. Next question, 13th question. By what other name is the unit joule per coulomb called? Joule per coulomb, what do we call? We know the expression V is equal to W by Q. What is the unit for work done? Joule. What is the unit for charge? Coulomb. So joule per coulomb we call it as what? It is the other name for that is volt. Okay, it is named after the scientist Alexandra Volta, right? So option A is the correct answer. Suppose if they ask you to find the quantity that has the unit joule per coulomb, we should write potential difference or voltage or electric potential. These are the different names for potential difference. Fine. 14th question. Which of the following statements correctly defines a volt? What is volt? How do we define volt? How do we define volt? See here. Volt is equal to work done by charge or joule per coulomb. So the option is B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Next. What do the letters PD stands for? PD means what? Potential deviation or potential difference? It is potential difference. Option A is the correct answer. What is meant by saying that the electric potential at a point is 1 volt? So when can we say electric potential is 1 volt? See here, the expression for potential difference or electric potential is V is equal to W by Q, right? So electric potential at a point is said to be 1 volt when 1 joule of work, this is work done, right? So 1 joule of work is done in moving a charge of 1 coulomb, okay, from positive charge, that is 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Yes. So what is electric potential? Electric potential, first you should know the definition for electric potential now. So it is work done in moving a charge from infinity to that point. Suppose if you want to find the electric potential at this point, electric potential at this point can be found by bringing the charge from infinity to this point. This is called electric potential. Now when can we say it is a 1 volt? When 1 joule of work is done in moving charge from infinity to that point. Moving, that is work of 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point. Okay, let us see the options. The first option is electric potential at a point is 1 volt, means 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point. The second option is electric potential at a point is 1 volt, means 1 kilojoule of work is done in moving 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point. No. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. What is the SI unit of potential difference? We know the SI unit of potential difference is volt. The correct option is option A. Option B is ohm. Ohm is the unit for resistance, and Faraday is the SI unit of capacitance, and a watt is the SI unit of power. Okay, Faraday, I think it must be farad. It is farad. Okay, it is not Faraday. Faraday is the name of the scientist, so it must be farad. Farad is the unit. Okay, that is the unit of capacitance. Fine. So there's a printing mistake. Fine. So the answer is volt. SI unit of potential difference is volt. How much work is done when 1 Coulomb charge moves against a potential difference of 1 volt? So here in this question we need to find what is work done, and they have given charge. Charge is 1 Coulomb, Q is known, and then potential difference is known, V is also known. So now we need to find W. We need to find W. How to find W? W is equal to V into Q. Okay. So here what is V? V is 1 and Q is also 1. So therefore it is 1 joule. Work done is equal to 1 joule. So let us see the option. Option A 1 joule, option B 2 joule, option C 3 joule, and option D 4 joule. The correct answer is option A, 1 joule. Okay. 19th question. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 Coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference of 12 volt? Here charge is given 2 Coulomb, voltage is given 12 volt, and work done is what we need to find. So we know the formula, W is equal to V into Q. So 12 into 2, which is 24 joule. So it must be 24 joule. Let us see the option. Option A 12 joule, 24 joule, 36 joule, 48 joule. So the correct answer is option B, that is 24 joule. Okay. Next question. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. Potential difference is measured in dash by using a dash. It is measured in, what is the SI unit of potential difference? Volts. And by using dash, by which instrument? Voltmeter. Placed in dash across a component. How do we place? With a series or parallel? Parallelly. So to measure the potential difference we need to connect the voltmeter in parallel. Okay. Option B is the correct answer. Option A is ampere ammeter series. So this comes for measuring the current. Okay, option A is for current, but here given is what? It's potential difference. Potential difference is volts. Voltmeter parallel. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the two is connected in parallel? Among these two, which is connected in parallel? Voltmeter. Okay, option B is the correct answer. What about ammeter? Ammeter should be connected in series. Okay, that we will see in current. 22nd question. State the relation between potential difference, work done, and charge. So we have already seen n number of times. V is equal to W by Q. Okay, so which expression will resemble this? Let us see. First option, potential difference is equal to charge by work done. And option B is potential difference equal to work done by charge. Option C is potential difference equal to work done into charge. Potential difference is equal to work done plus potential difference. Wrong. So option B is the correct answer, because potential difference is equal to work done by charge per unit charge. Okay. Next question. State whether true or false. The electric potential at a point in an electric field is defined as work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Yes, just in the previous question we have discussed what is electric potential. Yes, this is the correct statement. So therefore it is true. It is true. Next question. Calculate the work done in moving a charge of 4 coulombs from a point at 220 volts to another point at 230 volt. So here two potentials are given. So work done in moving a charge from one point to another. So let us take, this is the potential at the point A and this is the potential at point B. That is 220 is the point A and 230 is the point B. So we are moving the charge from this point B to point A. So what is the work done? We need to calculate what is the work done and how much of charge we are moving. 4 coulomb of charge. 4 coulomb of charge is moved from point B to A. Okay. So having known Q and V, we need to find W. But here two potentials are given. We need to take the difference of the higher potential to lower potential. Okay, so how can we write? That is VB minus VA, okay, divided by, okay, that is what we need to what is that? It is a work done, sorry, it is the potential. Okay, potential is potential difference VA and VB. Okay, difference of these two if we get this into Q. So we know W is equal to V into Q. No, we need to find W, right? So W is equal to V into Q. So VB minus VA into Q will give you W. So 230 minus 220 is 10. Okay, 230 minus 220 is 10. Okay, and that into Q. What is Q? Q is 4 coulomb. So 10 into 4, which is 40 joule. So work done is equal to 40 joule. So which is the correct answer? Let us see. The option A is 10 joule, option B is 20 joule, option C 30 joule, and option D 40 joule. 40 joule is the correct answer. That's right. Option D is the correct answer. Name the device that helps to maintain the potential difference across a conductor. Ammeter, galvanometer, voltmeter, none of these. Voltmeter is an instrument used to measure potential difference. So option A, ammeter, is used for measuring current. Option B, galvanometer, is used to measure is not measuring, used to detect the presence of current. And none of this is not the correct answer. So the answer is voltmeter. Fine. Next question. How much energy is transferred by 12 volt power supply to each coulomb of charge which it moves around a circuit? So here we need to find work done, that is energy. It is given as energy. Okay, so how to find? We know the formula. Work done is equal to V into Q. So here V is given as 12 volt and the charge is given as 1 coulomb. Each coulomb means 1 coulomb. It is 1 coulomb. So therefore 12 into 1, that will give you energy. Energy is equal to 12 joule. Option A is 10 joule, option B is 11 joule, option C is 12 joule, option C is 13 joule. Answer is option C, 12 joule. 12 joule. Next question. Name a device which helps to maintain the potential difference across a conductor. Cell, resistance, switch, key. Which one? Cell. Correct answer is cell. Okay. Fine. So we don't have the option battery or DC generator. So which among the given options we need to choose the correct answer. Okay. If a potential difference of 10 volt causes a current of 2 amps to flow for 1 minute, how much energy is transferred? So here voltage is given, current is given, and time is given as 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Fine. And we need to find energy. How to find energy? What is the formula to find energy? Energy is equal to V into Q, right? V into Q. So we know V is 10. What about Q? Q, instead of Q, they have given current and time. So we know Q is equal to I into T, right? Q is equal to I into T. So therefore, you multiply current and the time. 2 into 60. 2 into 60, which is 120 into 10, which is 1200 joule is the answer. Okay, let us see the options. Option A is 1000 joule, option B is 1100, that is 1100 joule, and the option C is 1200 joule, option D is 1300 joule. Yes, the correct answer is option C, 1200 joule. The potential difference across a lamp is 12 volt. How many joules of electric energy are changed into heat and light when a charge of 5 Coulomb passes through it? Okay, so first let us see what all the data is given. V is given. We need to find work done, W. Okay, and charge is given, Q. Okay, Q is given. So having given Q and V, we find W. W is equal to V into Q, right? So 12 into 5. 12 into 5 is 60. So which is 60 joule. Work done is equal to 60 joule. Okay, option A is 50, option B is 60, option C is 70, option D is 80. And correct answer is option B, which is 60 joule. Okay. The potential difference across the lamp is 12 volt. How many joules of electric energy are changed into heat and light when a charge of 1 coulomb passes through it? So here what is given? Voltage is given, charge is given. We need to find W. Same way, we know W is equal to V into Q. So where V is 12, 12 into what is the charge? 1 coulomb. So 12 into 1 is 12. So 12 joule. So option A, no. Option B, 11, no. Option C, 12, yes, correct. Option D, 13 joule, no. So the correct answer will be option C, 12 joule. Fine. The potential difference across a lamp is 12 volt. How many joules of electric energy are changed into heat and light when a current of 2 amps flows through it for 10 seconds? This is also the same way. Okay, so V is known, I is known, T is known, but we need to find W. So we know the formula. W is equal to V into Q, but Q is not given directly. Current and time is given, so VIT. So V is 12, current is 2 amps, and time is 10 seconds. So if the time is given in minutes, you need to convert to seconds. If it is given seconds directly, you can take as such. If it is given in hour, you have to convert to seconds. So 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, that way you do. So now it will be 240 joule. So let us see the various options. Option A 200 joule, option B 120 joule, option C 240 joule, and option D 360 joule. The correct answer is option C, 240 joule. Okay. In 10 seconds, a charge of 25 Coulomb leaves a battery and 200 joule of energy are delivered to an outside circuit as a result. Okay, what is the potential difference across the battery. So here time is given, Coulomb charge is given, then work done is given, and what is that we need to find? We need to find potential difference, that is V. So what is the formula how to find V? V is equal to W by Q now. So to confuse you, they have given the time. Time is not required actually. So work done is 200 divided by 25. Okay. So cancel it. You will be getting 8 volt. Option A is 8 volt, option B is 9 volt, option C is 10 volt, and option D is 11 volt. Correct answer is option A. Fine. The device used for measuring potential difference is known as voltmeter. Option E is potentiometer. Potentiometer is the one which varies the resistance. Okay, we call it as pot. Okay, in short. Ammeter is used to measure current, galvanometer to detect the presence of current, and voltmeter is the one which measures the voltage, the potential difference. So the correct answer would be option D. The unit for measuring potential difference is option A watt, option B ohm, option C volt, and option D kilowatt hour. The correct answer will be potential difference will be volts. Option C is the correct answer. Watt for power, ohm is for resistance, and kilowatt hour for energy. The other name of potential difference is amperage, wattage, voltage, potential energy. It is voltage. I already discussed in previously that potential difference, electric potential, voltage are the similar terms. So they are other terms, other name, called by other name. The answer C, option C would be the correct answer. Option C is voltage. An ammeter is connected in series in a circuit and voltmeter is connected in parallel. Is it true or false? Ammeter should be connected in series, yes, to measure the current, and voltmeter should be connected in parallel, yes. So voltmeter, when it is connected in parallel, it will be what the voltmeter has, it has got high resistance. So therefore it will not allow the current to pass through the voltmeter. So all the current will be flowing through only the bulb. So therefore it is easy to measure the correct voltage. Ammeter should be connected in series, yes, because it has got low resistance, and this low resistance means almost zero. So resistance is zero means high current will be flowing. So therefore it will give the correct reading of current. Okay, so it is true. A voltmeter has low resistance. Is it true or false? No, voltmeter will not have true, that is low resistance. It will have high resistance. Already we have discussed it has high resistance in order to measure the voltage across any resistor or a bulb. Okay, if it has high resistance, then all the current will be passing through the equipment whose potential difference has to be calculated. Okay, so it is false. It has got high resistance, not low resistance. So option B, that's correct, which is false. Fine. I have discussed various objective type questions on potential difference and work done. In the next video, we shall see OTQs on current and Ohm's law. If you like the video, kindly click the like button and share to all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the notification for the upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.